Good morning my dear students and my dear friend, this is Sudhir and welcome you all on today's class, and today we will quickly revise the multiplication without regrouping and with the regrouping. Then we will proceed towards the next topic, and the next topic is multiplying a number by expanding multiplication by expanding the bigger number, which is on page number 72. I hope you have solved the exercise 4.6 completely. ठीक है, 4.6 एक्सरसाइज आपको फिनिश करना है पूरी की पूरी. दैट इज योर होमवर्क, वो आपने कंप्लीट कर लिया होगा. नाउ वी विल प्रोसीड टुवर्ड द नेक्स्ट टॉपिक व्हिच इज मल्टीप्लिकेशन बाय एक्सपेंडिंग द बिगर नंबर. देन वी विल अंडरस्टैंड अबाउट द एस्टिमेटिंग द प्रोडक्ट. ओके, बट फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल क्विकली रिवाइज द टॉपिक व्हिच वी हैव लर्न इन प्रीवियस videos and classes. Okay, so let's have a look here. I have here 4 questions, and out of 4 questions, the 2 questions are multiplication without regrouping and the multiplication with regrouping. Okay, the 2 questions from regrouping and from the 2 questions from without regrouping. So let's understand how to find the product of numbers using this technique. Okay, so as you can see, the first number is 21, the second number is 42. Now we have to find the product of 21 and 42. Okay, so as you can see, the 1 and 2, these 2 numbers are present on the ones place. Okay, and the 2 and 4 are present on the tens place. Got it everyone? Okay, so now what we will do, first of all we will multiply this 2, this number. We will multiply the 21 by this 2. Okay, the 2 is present on the ones place. So 2 ones will be 2, we will write 2 here. Okay, then we will multiply this 2 with the 2 times tens. 2 2s will be 4. Okay, 2 times 1s multiply by 2 times tens. 2 times 10 we will got 4 times tens. Okay, we will write 4 at the tens place. Okay, so the multiplication by this 2 is completed. Now we will multiply by another digit which is 4. अब हम लोग 4 से multiply करेंगे. But listen everyone here, this 4 is not the 4 times 1s, this 4 is 4 times tens. 4 times tens है, yes, that means the place value of this 4 is 40. Okay, हम लोग जब 4 से multiply करेंगे, we are not multiplying by 4, we have to multiply by 4 times tens. So always remember that when you want to use, if you want to use a second number, जब आप इससे number से multiply करोगे, then we have to write the extra 0 at the ones place. Don't write here, don't write here. We have to write just below the first number which is at the ones place. We will write 0 here, or for simplicity you can write a 0 like this, which is a cross 0. Okay, so now here we will multiply 4 and 1. 4 ones is 4. Okay, we will write 4 ones are 4. Now the question is, why we are writing this 4 at the tens place? Because we are multiplying 4 and 1. 4 times tens into 4 times 1s. So 4 ones is 4, but the 4 is present on the tens place, that's why it is 4 times tens, not only ones. Okay, so we will write 4 at the tens place, which is very good. 4, which is simple. 4 ones is 4. Now we will multiply 4 times tens and 2 times tens. 4 twos is 8. Okay, so we will write 8 at the 100 place, which is at. ठीक है, मल्टीप्लिकेशन करने के बाद हम लोग 8 का नेक्स्ट प्लेस पे लिखेंगे, बिकॉज वी नो दैट 10 times 10 is equal to the 100. Yes, then 4 twos will be 8 here. Okay, then 8 will come to the next place. हम लोग 2 डिजिट एक प्लेस पर नहीं लिख सकते. We cannot write 2 digit at a single place. The next digit will always come to the next place. वो next place पर ही आएगा. Got it everyone? Okay, now we will add these 2 numbers, the 42 and 840. So 2 plus 0 we will got 2. Okay, 4 plus 4 is 8, and this 8 will come as it is at the 100 place. So the multiplication of 21 and 42, we will got 882, which is a product. We know that what is meant by product? Product is the answer of multiplication. So the product of 21 and 42 is 882. Got it everyone? I hope you understand. Let's solve one more question. Okay, so now as you can see, we have to find the product of 32 and 32. Here the both numbers are 32. Okay, so first of all multiply the 32 by this digit 2 twos will be 4, then 2 3 twos or 2 threes is 6. Okay, now we have to multiply by another digit which is 3, but before that we will, yes, write the extra 0 here. Okay, now 3 twos will be 6 and 3 threes will be 9. Now we have to add these two numbers. So 6 plus 4, no, that is not 6, this is 4 and this is 0. So we will write 4 here. 6 plus 6 is 12. So can I write 12 directly over here? No, it is not possible because we cannot write 12 directly. We have to write 2 and 1 will be carried forward to the next place. Okay, 9 plus 1 will be 10. So the answer is 1024. Which number it is? Ones, tens, 100,000. क्या है ये? 1024. There is no any digit at the, there is no any number, है ना, ये जीरो तो है, कोई भी यहाँ पे नॉन जीरो नंबर नहीं है. सो वी विल डायरेक्टली फॉरवर्ड टू द टेंस प्लेस. 1024. 100 पे तो जीरो है. ओके, आई होप यू अंडरस्टैंड हाउ टू फाइंड द प्रोडक्ट यूजिंग दी this technique without regrouping. ठीक है, here we don't need to regroup the numbers, but now be alert, we are using the numbers which we have to regroup. अब आप यहाँ पे multiplication करोगे तो क्या होगा? We will got 2 digit number. Okay, और हो सकता है 3 digit number भी मिल जाए आगे जा करके. So what will happen? We have to regroup the numbers. Okay, so 5 5s will be, first of all write down the places over here. 5 5s is 25. 5 times ones and 5 times ones. 5 5 is 25 ones. So can I write 25 directly here? No, because we know that 25 ones means what? 25 is ones place, 25 is at the ones place. So we know that there is 20, it is 2 times tens and 5 times ones. Yes, so this 2 will be carry forward. बहुत simple है. We cannot write 25 directly at the ones place. We have to write 5 and the 2 which is on the tens place will be carry forward. So we will write carry forward number here. Okay. So now 5 6 is 6 5 or 5 6 is 30. 30 plus 2 will be 32. So 2 will be here, 3 will be here. Okay. So the multiplication of this 5 is done. Now we have to multiply the 65 by another number which is 4. Okay, so but before that cross 0 we will write over here. 4 5s is or 4 5s is 20. So we will write 0. 2 will be carry forward. 2 फिर से पहले से लिखा है, it's okay. 6 4s is 24 or 4 6 is also 24. 24 plus 2 is 26. So we will write 6 here, 2 will be here. Now we have to add. अब हम लोग इसको करेंगे addition. Okay. So now we have to add 5 plus 0 is 5. Here will be 2. 3 plus 6 will be 9. And this 2 will be as it is. So the answer is 2925. Okay. And you have to solve that question. Oh, it's okay. Let's take this one. 9 8 is 72. Yes. So we will write 2. Carry will be 7. Okay. So 9 9 is 81. 81 plus 7. 81 plus 7 is, yes, 88. Okay. That is 88. Now we have to write cross 0 directly over here or extra 0. Now 8 8 is 64, we will write 4, carry is 6. 9 8 is 72, 72 plus 6, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77 and 79. So we will write 9 here, 7 will be at the 1000 place. अब करेंगे addition. Okay, 2 plus 0 will be 2, 8 plus 4 will be 12. So we cannot write 12 directly, because 12 is a 2-digit number. Okay, so we will write 2. 1 will be carry forward इधर. Okay, हाँ. 9 plus 1 is 10 plus 8 is 18. So we will write 8. 1 again will be carry forward to the next place. 8 7 plus 1 is 8. सिंपल है, जब भी आप मल्टीप्लिकेशन या फिर एडिशन करोगे, इफ यू आर गेटिंग अ 2 digit नंबर, सो वी विल राइट one number here and the another number will be carry forward. If you are getting 46 आ रहा है, so we have to write 6 downside and the 4 will be carry forward. ठीक है? Okay, I hope you understand how to find the product using the multiplication method. Okay, so quickly note down in your maths notebook and solve the exercise 4.6 completely. Okay, and don't go anywhere. We have to proceed towards the next topic, which is a multiplication by expanding the bigger number. Multiplication by expanding the bigger number हमको पढ़ना है. Okay, so quickly note down in your maths notebook. Okay dear students, so now we will proceed toward the next topic, and the next topic is multiplying by expanding the bigger number. Okay, what is the topic name? Multiplying by expanding the bigger number. So there is a one word which is expanding. So we have already learned about the expanded form. हमने पढ़ा था expanded form. What is meant by expanded form? The expanded form is a sum of place values of each digit. फिर से बोलो मेरे साथ, speak with me. Expanded form is the sum of place values of each digit. ठीक है, sum of place values of each digit. Okay, so here we will understand the multiplication by expanding the bigger number. Okay, so now we have to know that we have to expand तो करना है, but किसको? Bigger number को. Okay, we have to expand the bigger number. So as you can see, there is a first question which is available on page number 72. So everyone please open the page number 72. फटाफट से page number 72 को करो open. Okay, so I hope you have opened that. Okay. So now this is a number 83 multiplied by 4. We have to find the product of 83 and 4. ठीक है, which is very easy. You can find directly 4 3s and अगर आपने इसको multiplication करना, you can find like this 83 into 4. Yes, ऐसे multiply कर सकते हैं. 4 3s is 12, so we will write 2. Then 1 will be carry forward. 8 4s और 4 8s है ना, is 32. 32 plus 1 is 33. That means we can find the product of 83 and 4 by direct multiplication. But हमको direct नहीं करना है. ठीक है, direct नहीं करना है. What we have to do here? Just look everyone front. Look front everyone. Okay. So here, as you can see, there is 83 multiplied by 4. First step is expand the bigger number. पहले कर दो expand. So what is the bigger number? Which one is the bigger? 83 और 4 में से कौन सा बड़ा है? Obviously 83 is bigger ना. So we will expand the 83 into 2 parts. ठीक है. This is 3 plus 80. Yes, 80 plus 3 is the expanded form of 83. 3 का place value 3 and the place value of this 8 is 80. So that is 80 plus 3. Okay, now what we will do? बहुत simple, ध्यान से देखो. 83 को direct 4 से multiply नहीं करेंगे. What we will do? We will divide 83 into 2 parts. Okay, the first part is 80 and the second part is 3. दो टुकड़े करके एक एक को multiply करेंगे and then we will find the sum of that number. Look here, there is addition. Okay, हम लोग क्या करेंगे? 4 को 4 से डायरेक्ट इसको मल्टीप्लाई नहीं करेंगे. We will multiply this 4 and 3. Okay, we will got a number here and then we will multiply this 4 by 80. Then we will got the another number. फिर उन दोनों को प्लस कर देंगे. ठीक है? Look everyone here. We will multiply. What we will do here? We will multiply this 4 and 80. Okay, 80 multiplied by 4 and we will multiply this 3 and 4. 3 multiplied by 4. डायरेक्ट मल्टीप्लिकेशन नहीं करेंगे, वी विल ब्रेक डाउन द 83 into 2 parts and we will multiply these 2 parts separately by 4. अलग अलग मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, then we will add. Okay, so now we know that 80 into 4, there is 0, so write down 0, or you can hold and we will write the 0 at the last. ठीक है, so there is 0, then 8 4s is 32. Okay, so the multiplication of 4 and 80 is done. अब ये दोनों बच गया, 3 4s is 12. Now we will find the sum. अब इन दोनों को प्लस कर देंगे. 0 plus 2 is 2, 2 plus 1 is 3 and 3 will be as it is. I hope you understand. If you not understand, which is very good, we will solve one more question. Okay, and I am taking the question, next question directly from checkpoint page number 72. Okay, so quickly note down in your maths notebook. Okay students, so now let's solve the one more question, and that question I am taking from the checkpoint page number 72. 72 पेज नंबर पे फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है. ओके, वी हैव टू सॉल्व दिस क्वेश्चंस इन योर मैथ्स नोटबुक एंड जो आंसर आएगा उसको वहां पे आपको कॉपी करना है. ओके, सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल लेट्स सी हाउ टू फाइंड द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ 38 and 4 by using the expanded form method, that means by expanding the bigger number. So my first question is, which is the bigger number among them is 38. 38 is the bigger one, so we will expand the 38 into 2 parts. So how can we expand it? We will expand this 38 into 2 parts. That is 30 plus 8. Yes, the expanded form of 38 is 30 plus 8. Now here what we have to do, listen carefully. We can multiply this 38 by 4 directly, but in this method we don't have to multiply the 4 and 38 directly, because this method is we have to find the expanding the bigger number. We have to find the product तो निकालना है but expand करके. So इसको डायरेक्ट इससे मल्टीप्लाई करने के बजाय हम लोग 4 से 8 को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे सेपरेटली, 4 को 30 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे सेपरेटली. व्हाट वी विल डू, वी विल सेपरेटली मल्टीप्लाई, अलग अलग मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 30 और 4 का एंड 8 और 4 का, and then we will add them. Okay, so we will write this 30 here. 30 multiplied by 4 and 8 multiplied by 4. Okay, so let's find the product. Now we know that there is 0, है ना, so हम लोग 0 लिख देंगे पीछे में ऐसे. Okay, now we will multiply the rest of the number. 4 3s is 12, that is 120. Okay, now 8 4s is 8 1s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 8 3s are 24, 8 4s is 32. So there is a question, look front, can I write 34 here? क्या मैं यहाँ लिख सकता हूँ? देखो ध्यान से, this is your ones place, this is your tens place and this is your 100 place. Can I write 34? We cannot write 34 because we have to write the number from the ones place. हम 34 ऐसा नहीं लिख सकते, है ना, that is wrong. So we will write 34 like this. 4 will be at the ones place and the 3 will be at the tens place. Now we have to add. अब करेंगे इसका addition. तो करो addition. Do the addition. 4 plus 0. 4 times 1 plus 0 times 1 is, we have learned the properties. Yes, if the 0 is added in any number, we will got the same number. Yes, same number, that means number itself is the sum. So we will write 4. Now we have to add the number which is on the tens place. 3 plus 2 will be 5. So we will write here 5. And there is only one number which is alone at the 100 place. अकेला है, एक ही तो है, तो हम लोग लिखेंगे 1, and that is your answer. Quickly note down in your maths notebook as well as on page number 72. I am taking one more question, okay, and the rest of the question will be your homework. Okay student, let's solve one more question, and that is 92 multiplied by 7, which is a second question from checkpoint. Okay, so stop writing and look front. लिखना बंद करो. हाँ, okay. So now we have to find the product of 92 and 7. Yes? हाँ, look everyone front. Okay, so एक interesting चीज बताने वाला हूँ, ठीक है? So that is a 92 and that is 7. Okay. So we have to find the product of किसका? 92 and 7 का. Yes. So first of all we have to expand the bigger number. करना पड़ेगा expand. So first of all, which is the expanded form of 92? भाई 92 तो बड़ा है. Yes, there is a bigger number. 92 is a bigger number. That's why we have to expand the 92. Okay. So first of all, we will expand the 92 into two parts. Okay, this 2 is at the ones place, so we will write 2 here, and this 9 is at the tens place. That's why the place value of this 9 is what? 90. Yes. So that is 90 plus 2. So the 92 is expanded into two parts. Now we will multiply the 90 and 7 separately, and this 2 and 7 separately. Separate करेंगे, multiply, and then we will add them. फिर कर लेंगे इसका addition. So let's proceed. Okay, so चौक बदला जाए. हाँ, okay. So first of all we will write 90 into 90 का multiplication 7 के साथ into 7 is equal to, and the next number is 2. 7 and 2. So we will multiply 2 and 7. Everyone, please remember you have to write the number from the ones place. ध्यान से लिखो, otherwise there is गड़बड़ी and answer will be wrong. हाँ, okay. So now we have to multiply 90 and 7. So 90 consists of 0. या तो hold कर लो, or you can write directly 0. So I am writing directly 0. Okay. Now we have to multiply rest of the number. अब जो बच गए उसको करेंगे multiplication. So which is left over? 9 and 7. So 9 sevens is, याद करो table. Okay. 9 sevens is 63, I think. So we will write 63. So the multiplication of 90 and 7 is 630, which is 630. So now we have to multiply another one, which is 7 and 2. Oh sorry, 7 and 2. So now 7 on the 7, 7 to is 14. So always remember that we have to write 14, but how can we write? From the ones place. 14 लिखना है, तो हम लोग 4 लिखेंगे. कहाँ लिखेंगे? Ones place पर. Yes, we will write the 4 at the ones place. There is ones, tens, and this is your 100. That's why we will write 4 here. 1 will be here. अगर आपने, that means if you have written this 14 here, हो गया, the answer will be wrong. Okay, so please be careful here. Now we have to add. So करो भाई addition. Here we will write 4 and 0, 0, है ना? 4. हाँ, always remember that if you are finding the sum of 0 and another number, you will get the number as it is. 4 will be here. And now we have to add the numbers or the digit which is the tens place. So 3 is on the tens place and 1 is also in the tens place. So we will add them. So 3 plus 1 is also 4. Then this 6 will come as it is. The answer is 644. Understood? I hope you understood how to find the product by expanding the bigger number. Okay? समझ में आ गया होगा तो please note down in your maths notebook and complete the checkpoint on page number 72. We will understand about the estimating the product in the next video. तब तक के लिए bye bye, tata, see you. Have a good day.